Hello everyone! Today, we're going on a journey back in time to a period before written records and written language were developed in the prehistorical art is a world shrouded in mystery that people had become expert at creating forms that were both practical and beautiful.
Historic art is just about the beauty. It's a window into the minds and belief of our ancestors, and we see stories they wanted to tell. The symbol they used to connect with their world.
Imagine a world without words and without language as we know it. How would you express yourself? How would you capture the essence of the word? Our prehistoric ancestors, facing this very challenge, found their voice in the art.
Look at the picture. Earliest form of prehistoric art are extremely forms of primitive. The cave call it stories type of periodic cultural marking which amount to no more than a hemiapical or cup-like scoring of the rock surface. The early sculpture art such crude representation representation of minute shape. Some expert doubt whether whether they are work of art. A number of highly sophisticated techniques such as trigonometric testing, uranium sludge dating, and thermoluminescence are now available to help establish our date of on-site artifacts from the Paleolithic era and later.
Prehistorical painters used the available materials around them. These are pigments, were the so-called the earth pigments that came from minerals, charcoal from the fire, burned bones and white from grounded calcite. Large areas were covered with fingertip twigs, produced lines while feather blended areas of colors. They also used brushes that were made from animals' hair. They also used the rugosity and texture of the cave to make three-dimensional vision of the animals they portrayed.
Leave a mark. They did the most famous example of prehistoric art, the cave painting, or the cave art. It is not really an art movement as it is period in humanity. Artistic development predates writing, print making, and encompass and denizens of both early sculpture and painting.
Well, like other tribes today, prehistoric people often represent their world and beliefs through visual images, paintings, sculpture, and later pottery revealed not only a quest for beauty, but also complex social system and spiritual concept because their lifestyles depended the hunting and foraging for food or later on a pastoral agriculture.
Work from this prehistoric period are not always simple but can be quite complex. The Lascaux cave painting, for example, were created with the bronze made from animal because the people who made this art priests were amateurs. This there is evidence of their desire to show both realism and to use abstraction. Is an effort to make the art from portable.
Take a closer look. These animals are alive. The artist understood anatomy and captured the very essence of their prey. It's clear they had a deep understanding of the natural world and a desire to connect with it.
Prehistoric art was just about grand escape. Had stencil like this from the cave of El Castillo in Spain show a more personal and ritualistic side by blowing pigment over a hand place agents. The whole these artists create a direct link to their present leaving a unique mark on the world.
The famous Venus figurines, like the Venus of Helen de Roof, were small portable objects that likely held symbolic or religious significance. They suggest a fascination with the human form, perhaps embodying fertility and life itself.
These early forms of art, while simple in appearance, reveal a complex understanding, a symbolism, representation, and the human desire to express ourselves.
So overall, prehistoric art is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of our ancestors, a powerful reminder that art has always been an integral part of the human experience. It's a reminder that regardless of our time or technology, the human spirit has always sought to create, to express, and to leave its mark on the world.